Think about your CEO for a moment. The moment they walk into a room, something happens. People straighten up, conversations stop, eyes turn, and nobody told them to do that. Nobody sent out a memo. It just happens. Automatically, instantly, without a single word being spoken. Now ask yourself honestly, when you walk into a room, does anything change? Most mid-level managers will tell you, the reaction their CEO gets is because of the title, because of the corner office, because of the years of experience. And yes, the title does play a part. I will not lie to you about that, but here is what I have seen coaching professionals across the globe. There are people with big titles that nobody takes seriously. And there are people with modest titles that command every room they walk into. So the title is not the answer. The answer goes much deeper than that. The answer is gravitas. Gravitas is one of those words that sounds complicated. So let me make it completely simple for you. Gravitas is the feeling people get when they are around you. It is a sense that this person means business. This person is clear. This person makes decisions. This person does not waste time, mine or theirs. And here is why it matters so much in the corporate life. Think about how growth actually happens in an organization. It is not just about delivering results. It's about whether the people above you feel that you are ready for more responsibility, whether they trust your judgment, whether they believe that putting you in a bigger role will make things better, not harder. That belief, that trust, that is not built through your work alone. It is built through how you carry yourself every single day. Let me give you a very honest observation, and I want you to really sit with this. Have you ever noticed that your CEO does not crack jokes with everyone in the pantry, does not mingle with every group at every level all the time, does not try to be everyone's friend in the office? That is not arrogance. That is not rudeness. That is intentionality. That is someone who understands that how you spend your energy, who you spend it with, and how you show up sends a signal to everyone watching about what level you operate at. The moment you start behaving like a leader, before you have the title, people start treating you like one. And the moment you keep behaving like just another employee, no matter how hard you work, that is exactly how people will continue to see you. So what does gravitas actually look like in practice? 3 things. You speak with clarity and you mean what you say. No over-explaining, no filling silence with noise or even filler words. When you make a point, you make it and you stop. Because people who are taken seriously do not need to convince you. They just tell you. You are a decision maker, not someone who always needs more time, more opinions, more meetings before committing to a direction. Senior leaders watch who hesitates and who decides. Be the one who decides. You carry yourself the same way regardless of who is in the room. The same energy with the CEO as with your team. That consistency, that steadiness is what makes people feel that you are solid. And solid people get trusted with bigger things. Being taken seriously is not about becoming someone different. It is about becoming more intentional about who you already are. Your CEO did not wake up one day with gravitas. They built it decision by decision, room by room, conversation by conversation. And you can do exactly the same thing. Starting today. Tell me in the comments, when was the last time you felt like you were not being taken seriously as you deserved? I need every single comment and I read them, and your answer shapes exactly what comes next on this channel. Like this if it hit home, and stay connected to learn these amazing skills.